Hey everybody, what's up? It's Vince and I'm back to this vlog. You might have seen the last vlog video I did. It was a couple years ago. It was about learning how to code and going from trucking. What ended up happening, I ended up getting a management position in trucking and logistics, and I did that for about 3.5 years. And it was really fulfilling and I had a good time doing it until the end when it kind of stopped being fulfilling for me. And now I am on another journey, which is why I'm back on the vlog here, to learn how to be a digital marketer and a SEO analyst and try to create my own business out of that and switch careers. So I'm looping you in on the journey, and I'm intrigued to be able to hopefully make my own schedule and to be able to work from home or wherever I want to work. So I'm really excited for this, and over the upcoming months I plan on making a video every single day. It might be only a minute or two, but I just want to share what I learned. I'm going to be uploading these to YouTube and on my blog, where I'll be writing some of the things that I learned, some tricks and tips, and just looping you in on the journey. So if you're somebody who wants to become a digital marketer or an SEO specialist or something along those lines, hopefully you can follow along, you can enjoy the content, and we can grow and be on this journey together. Thanks a lot, have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.